Traders, here's an interesting idea for you. We have a very simple strategy that we implement every week. What we do is we come in on Monday. So let's just go back to Monday. Monday the 16th. Let's work through this week here, this last week, Monday the 16th. Go to. We're looking for Monday, all right, midnight, New York time, midnight. Set your time zone, and we start trading from this point onwards, and we simply take every buy and sell when we're within the red or green zone. You can see the red zone behind. So let's see what that looks like. Replay. Going to go for a default 2R target. Go. Well, we know we got a red one coming up, I think, but that's fine. We're going to test this out and see what it looks like all the way through the week. You know, we can actually take this red dot. This is obviously a higher time frame pullback. So I'm inclined to take that red dot. So we'll sell it on the red dot. You can, if you want to, be a bit more particular and only go on the buy and sell signals, but let's see what happens with this. Very tight stop. Now we're going to lose a few of these, and that's part of the plan. We're just going to see what the outcome is if we were to take every signal. Yeah, the red dots are pretty handy. Okay, here's another opportunity. So we can go short here as well. We can go short on the HTF and these two dots. So let's just do that. I won't be able to enter another trade, but we'll go short. Let's see how it plays out. Another sell signal. That is an opportunity to short once again. But let's just give these two a happy face. So we're up 4R. Okay, so we're going to set a target of 2R by default. We've actually got another sell signal here. So I'm going to go in again, short. Stop loss above, so pretty tight stops. TP, we'll go for 2R. Let's copy and paste that. Stop slightly above. It's going to go 2R right there. Okay, sell. All right, so we're up 4R. And now we have a bit of a buffer. If we lose one, we only lose 1R. So this R value, this risk could be $100 on your account. So we're up 4R. Let's go. Now we're up 6R. Continue on. All right, getting a little bit long in the tooth here, this trend, but that was actually another opportunity. We want to probably look for entries at the beginning of these red or green zones. We'll just let this run. So we're up 6R. Stop, hold it. Oh, okay. Look, you know, we're getting a sell. This is where I get a little bit reluctant to get involved, but let's do it. And we could even consider taking every sell, every buy and sell as long as it's within the zone, you know, and definitely lose a few doing that, but we'll see how it shapes up. Let's just sell. So we're up 6R. Stop. I'm going to go above the dots. Going to go for 2R target. Short position. All right, there's my 2R. All right, so we're up 6R. Continue on. We're up 6. I like the signals. We are now up 8R. Well and truly ahead, guys. Looking good. Okay, we're up 8R. Let's see what else shows its hand. Oh, nice. And look, you know what? If your strategy involves trailing it with a stop loss, you know, pulling your stop loss to break even, hold it here. That's a... No, it's not. We're up 8R. You know, we've got this drop and a pullback and a new thing, but we don't actually have a sell signal yet. Let's just see if we get that. We're up 8R. All right, so it's turning bullish now. Whoa, stop. All right, that would have been our entry point right here on both of the sell and the little square. Stop above, keep it tight, 2R. So we're up 8, play it. And this is where you could pull your stop loss to break even possibly. But anyway, let's just carry on. All right, 8R. That's 10R, guys. That's a pretty big advantage. We're going to lose a few here and there. Guys, gain access before the price increase, seriously. Okay, before we continue on. Right, we have silver, gold, and platinum VIP. The silver is currently, well, you get a free 14 days. So if you lock that in now, you're going to be locked in at $29.95. And you do that before tomorrow, Christmas Day, and you're going to gain access to complimentary gold and platinum. Platinum is $79.95. So lock in the silver 14-day trial now before the end of December the 25th. All right, and you gain full platinum. After the December the 25th, the indicators are going to be $49.95 a month, and platinum, which includes everything, plus indices and the stock markets, VIP, is going to be $79.95 a month. Lock it in. Definitely lock it in. Try it for 2 weeks and see how this can change your life. Seriously, $29.95 starts billing after the 14 days, and you will have full access to all of this. You'll have access to gold plus platinum, okay, by joining the silver VIP free trial. After December the 25th, this offer will not be available. And this will give you access to everything, including the indicators, trading course, signals, you name it. So we're up 10R. Let's just keep going with this and see what happens for the week. Got to lose a couple here or there, but we have a 10R buffer. That's a sell signal, guys. So let's do it. Stop loss slightly above. See the yellow line and these red dots? That's where you want to place your stop loss. Go for a 2R outcome. And again, this 10R could be a lot more than 10R if you manage your trade well and you use a trailing stop. But let's just run with that and see how we go. So we're up 10R. Yeah. Are we going to get taken out? It's going to happen sooner or later. It'll turn around at the end of one of these red zones, but that's okay. It's all part of the journey. It doesn't matter because most of these are going to work out. Right, that's one loss. We'll stop it there. All right, so 10R minus 1R. We're down 9R. We're up 9R, I should say. We're up 9R. Up 10. Okay, now we're up 9. Run it. And we're waiting for the next signal. All right, we're getting some green kicking in. See, what will happen with these red and green zones, it's running along a trend on a 4-hour, on a higher time frame. And at some stage, that trend will turn around. But the idea is, when, like you'll see when the green zone kicks in, we look to get in early on the trend. The green and red zone is giving us multiple time frames on this 15-minute chart. All right, so we get in early, and then we keep running it. And again, we're going to lose a few at the end of the green or red zones. All right, that's the outcome for the week. Very small risk, but that could be $100 a trade. So we made 9R, we lost 1R. What you can do with this is set the alerts. Okay, we can set the alerts. You want the buy and sell alerts. So that's off this indicator down here. And if the buy or sell alert happens to be going off within the red or green zone, we enter the trade. All right, so we come down here, click these 3 dots, open it up, 3 dots. We got to stop the replay. Okay, let's just do that. Okay, click the 3 dots, add the alert, and keep it on the 15-minute chart. We're going to change this. We're going to go with bullish and bearish, bullish, and it's going to be once per bar close, and that will give you non-repainting alerts. So it'll only go off once that bar is closed. Go create, and you can call it buy or sell down here. And then we're going to create another one, and it's going to be bearish once per bar close. Name it buy or sell. Okay, you probably want some notifications. I want this to go off in my app on my phone, so I enable TradingView app on the phone, and that'll go off, and I can jump into the charts in an instant and take that trade. Okay, jump on board, guys, while it's going for $29.95 with the 2 weeks free trial, and avoid paying $49.95 after the 25th of December.